Hi, and welcome back to our 14th video of the 52-week challenge. This time we're going to do like a belt buckle. So let's get started. It's not going to be proportional or anything like that. We're just building it to build it. And let's get started. So let's add a mirror modifier, but first we gotta break this apart. Control. Actually, not yet. Okay, this is fine. Press 1. We're going to go face mode like this. Seven E. Okay, we're going to control R like that. Control R like that. Let's go to X-ray mode, delete all this. Sorry, dissolve edges here. So we're going to do the same thing with all the edges over here. We're going to add one edge right here. GC X, I guess, like that. Control C. All right, let's delete all this, all these faces, sorry. Delete faces. All right, let's go to edge mode here. Face here. This might seem a little redundant, and honestly it is, but just bear with me, unfortunately. I tried to do like a mirror modifier before and then some extra work, but it just gave me some like weird artifacts, so I'm trying to do it this way just to reduce the complexity and the time needed to troubleshoot things. All right, F is pretty good. Okay, now let's delete face mode. Okay, actually Shift D here. No, the reason why we're not going to do Shift D here is because when you do a boolean of this object on this, it's going to cause some artifacts to show up, and it's just really time consuming. So get out of X-ray mode. Let's go to edge mode. And we're just going to keep doing this. All right, looks like everything's copied correctly. Now we can add our modifier to this. Mirror. Okay, cool. And let's see, we actually want all of this, X-ray mode, all of this to have some beveling. So let's do this right here. Just some slight beveling. All right, that's not terrible. Are we breaking anything there? Unfortunately, it looks like we are. So maybe just edges. Let's get out of X-ray mode here. Here. Okay, and we're gonna do the same. All right, that's good. Now let's do the edges outside here. We can press C to make things a little faster. Sometimes, unfortunately, we are going to find ourselves with some time-consuming parts, and we just gotta either find a fix for it to make it faster, or push through. But that is the part of learning. When you start out, you're a little slower, but after a while you find tricks and stuff like that. Right? Alright, sweet. It's not too much, but it is pretty good. Then, let's see. No, let's just add something. Shift A. Cube. SC. S. Focus about this. 1 SC. 7 GC. All right, nice. Okay. Let's bubble this face. Like that. Okay, nice. And let's see. Shift A. We're gonna add a cylinder here. Press 7. S like this, and then we're gonna round it out. Where are you, cylinder? Where'd you go? Oh, there we are. Oh, I had it on inside. Tab edit mode. Shift A. Press 1. 7. All right. Tab edit. Vertex mode. Press the opposing sides. Proportional editing S like that. That's what we want. Okay, then tab SC, like that, SC, like that, then GC, go up like that, and then GC, go up a little more, and then SC, make it a little bigger, and then we're gonna do some editing. So press all these. Press 1. All right, go to X-ray mode, select all the vertices up here, and then 7, and that's gonna be some more like that right there. Let's go to edge mode. Let's select all these, Shift Control plus, select all of these, then GC, just a bit like that. Nice. We can also do like crystals for this. Okay, and we kind of want like some little balls here, or like rubies or whatever. So one thing we can do with like a curve is see, create an object, add an array, and then we'll do like a curve and it'll go around here. So let's do that. So Shift A, first let's add a curve. Go to tab, edit mode, non-edit mode, sorry, Shift A, curve, go to path, we're gonna make this way smaller. S, X-ray mode, GY, up here, press 1, you're gonna go up here like this, right about here is good. Okay, 7, and then we're gonna do edit mode and make this way smaller than that, just like this. GY, bring this down like that, and then we're gonna do G and move it like that, and then we can just keep it on right here. Try to stick to the inside of this curve area right here, or shaded area. All right, like this. That's pretty good. And it's flat. All right, let's go to tab edit mode. Get rid of that first. We're gonna do Shift A. We're gonna add a small little sphere. Icosphere, it's fine. Press 1. S. Wait, right here. Okay. GC. Sorry, GC. And it's going to be right in here where the curve is. See if you can see it right there. Then we're going to bring it up, GY, and it should be right there. Okay, now with that settled, let's add our array modifier. We're going to do, let's do 7. Let's add our curve modifier. Add the curve. Cool. And then we can switch it up. Let's add just 6. And then we can change things up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you do, that's pretty good. So let's see, we'll do 12. and this is just gonna take a little bit of time, but it looks pretty good. Not symmetrical as we'd like, but we can always work on that. Let's leave that alone for now. Apply, bring this back, take this off, no X-ray mode anymore, and see, now it's a semi decent buckle. Tab, show control plus, ES, ES, all right, see, looks pretty good. And I guess we can go a little extra and add like, what's it called? The belt loop thing for you. Sorry, this one is taking quite a bit. I am learning or remembering what I know for this one, so that's why. All right, 3, 7. All right, so shift, get out of that. We're gonna do shift A. No, let's take this, all this, press 1, go to RX 90, GC, bring it up like this, and then we're gonna add spline, RX 90, 1, bring it here, S like this, Y, all right, now let's go to edit mode, go to edge mode, E, Y, E, X, E, Y, and we'll just simplify it like this. All right. Then if we do some proportional editing here, go to top down approach like that. All right, sorry. Now let's go to top down. So Y, GY, RY, X, C, like that. That looks way better. Okay, then let's mirror modify this across this right here. All right, and now we get our buckle and the belt to some extent. Huh. All right, sweet. And there you have it. And then we can just play along with textures and paint and stuff like that and make this a little more realistic. But thank you for listening. Sorry it took so long. But again, you know, practice more and you'll get to it. I've never actually done a buckle, so it was a good experience to at least relearn the circular curve thing here with the array modifier. Good learning experience.